Hello, let us solve this expression together. So for the first thing, let us collect the like terms, such as log 2x plus 3 minus log 5x equals 1. So from our law of logarithm, this becomes 2x plus 3 all over 5x equals 1. And from transformation law of logarithm, this becomes 2x plus 3 over 5x equals 10. So if we cross multiply, that gives us 2x plus 3 equals 5x multiplied by 10. So this now becomes 2x plus 3 equals 50x. So if we collect the like terms, 3 equals 50x minus 2x. So 3 equals 48. So 48x. So x now equals 3 over 48, and this is 1 over 16. So thank you very much. See you next time.